Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Bobbi and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's over here. It's over here, okay? So also, I hope everybody has been doing well, staying inside, staying in your homes, and I've just been thinking about our current situation recently, and like not the situation as a whole, but like even though my family's gonna be okay, like, but it's a really fucked up time. So I'm going to try and entertain you throughout this video, maybe get your mind off some shit, because I know shit like for some people is really hard right now. If you came here to relax, then you know I have like the perfect thing for you. Okay, sometimes people find makeup very relaxing, and some people find it entertaining, some people find it educational. So if you find it any of those things, you know, here I am trying to help you guys out. Okay. Before we get into the tutorial, I just want to let you guys know I am working in the Morphe 24A Artist Pass, and this is what it looks like. Like, honestly, this, like, all of them are so beautiful. And I think what's coming next is a video with all of the swatches for this, because this is kind of like my demo of it. This is my struggle eye, okay? Everybody who's not new to my channel knows that I have a struggle eye where I'm trying to MacGyver what I want to do and not come on camera and film like the good one. So this is my non-struggle eye. Honestly, I feel like this eye look is stunning. It couldn't be better. It's like a sunset mixed with sparkle. It's got a little neon pop to it. So if you're ready to see how I got this look, then let's just keep watching. Hey everybody, how is everybody doing? You should take a second right now and comment down below and tell me like legit how you guys are doing. I actually genuinely care. And as I'm a poor YouTuber, you know, I can't help you because I'm poor, right? But like, I really hope all of my subscribers are doing okay. Anyways, back to the makeup, what you guys came here for. This is the shade Get the Shot. Now, Get the Shot is like super pigmented. Like literally all of these shades are like pretty pigmented, especially for like neons and super vibrant bright colors, especially Max Volume. I was like pretty impressed with Max Volume, and there's a shade called Major Inspo that's going to be shown here, and they're just so very pretty, and they actually look pretty true to color for my thumbnail. But anyways, I'm doing like a halo eye, so you guys are gonna see me go around this, you know, like a halo eye. I'm gonna go around the first third and the outer third of my eye, leaving the middle blank. But I'm actually pretty impressed with this palette, especially for the cost. Like, Morphe did the damn thing with this. And I actually had a conversation with another, well, she just does Instagram makeup. She doesn't do like makeup on YouTube or anything, but I had a conversation with her and she was saying like, you know, like Morphe, like drugstore brands are actually stepping it up. And I was like, yeah, they are. And I'm really like appreciative of that, because like low key, there's a massive difference between this Morphe palette that I have and like the 35V that I have from like a year or so ago. Like there's just a huge difference. So shout out to Morphe and NYX and ELF and all those brands that are just like stepping their shit up for the You know, the people who don't want to pay $50+ for a fucking palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills. They tried it real hard. Anyways, so this is the shade Major Inspo, and it's more of a royal blue than the purple that it's coming off with, but like still beautiful. And you guys are just like, you know, you can see the technique, like what I did to get X, you know, kind of situation here. And more than anything, I hope you guys come here and then you're entertained. You forget about your problems for at least a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Because that's what I'm trying to do here. I want everybody to be happy when they watch my videos, at least for a little bit. Just stop thinking about your bills and how your kid's a little asshole and you got to deal with them all day. You know, like all kinds of shit, everything. And this is the concealer I decided to use, the Colorpop No Filter concealer, because I wanted the middle to like really pop with color, like to really be drawn out, like to really draw your eye in to the makeup. And for sure, like I always do, I use my finger to blend out the edges. I just feel like it makes it a little bit more seamless of a blend than using literally just a brush. And this is the glitter invite only. Literally the whole bottom row of this palette, and one of the top ones and one of the middle shades are glitters. And I don't know what kind of sorcery Morphe is using with these glitters, but I literally just went in on top of my concealer and it gripped it. That glitter stayed like all day because I did this look in the morning, right? So the glitter stayed in the concealer, you know, like on my eyeball. I didn't fall, it didn't get on top of my lashes, none of that. It stayed all day. Okay, and you guys know I don't lie. If something's shit, let's call it shit and call it a day. All right, we don't have time for all these shenanigans. But this is definitely not shit. This might be the shit, you know what I'm saying, but not shit. Okay, and this is an eyeliner that my mother-in-law bought for me, and she bought it for me from Five Below. Okay, it came in like a little pack of like 5 or 6, and I opened it and I was like, yo, these are trash, but I'm gonna keep them anyways, you know, like because it was a gift. It was like a gift from my mother-in-law. She didn't know what she was doing. Okay. She's not really like a makeup wearer or whatever, but this, like, it helped me out to get the color payoff for this shade right here, for Under the Sun. And so right before it dried, I just like stamped it in there. Now you're saying, Bobbi, you're using 2 yellows. That's weird. Why would you do that? But get the Shot, which is the first yellow that I used up in my upper crease. It is more like a warm yellow, and Under the Sun is like a neon yellow, if you will. Okay. And I'm literally just stamping this all over, and you're gonna be like, bitch, you're being messy, but I'm not being messy. And it like is only staying on the area which I put the eyeliner, because you see I got even more messy. Okay, I cut it out because it was being kind of redundant, but like I clean it up right here. You guys are gonna see me clean it up, and it like swoops right away. If swooping is like a technical makeup term here. And then I go in with like a flatter little brush that you might, you know, highlight your inner corner with or something. I dip it into Major Inspo and get right up in there, right up in there. And I do the same thing with Max Volume. Just strengthen up the colors, which is, you know, something I do for all of my shades and all of my looks anyways. Gotta reassess, you know what I'm saying? And this is the LA Girl Glide On Gel Liner. You guys, I love this eyeliner. It doesn't transfer very much. at all, and it's perfect to highline with. It's creamy, it's not gonna like run everywhere. You get it, it's a good eyeliner. And this is the L'Oreal 12-hour Infallible, the super slim liquid eyeliner, and that is a mouthful if I ever had one. Okay, now I'm gonna just tightline with it really quick and move on for a second. Let that dry so I can, you know, curl my lashes. But this is the NYX Faux White eyeliner in the shade Baby Powder, and it's not gonna stay baby powder blue, honey. We're using Under the Sun again to get a neon eyeliner. I see I don't have a creamy white eyeliner, so I just used what I had, especially since we're in quarantine. I can't just like go run out and buy one real quick or whatever. I do have the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, but that hoe is pretty dry. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty dry, so this was just a better option. And I also cut this out because it did get pretty redundant, but I keep packing on, you know, the shade Under the Sun because I had to get rid of that baby blue shade. Now you guys are gonna see me use Major Inspo again. I do 2 shades that were on the top. I don't go in with Get the Shot because I just thought that if I put it all around, it would make me look a little bit too sickly. So I just leave it on the top and literally just use Major Inspo and Max Volume on the bottoms. Connecting those two together, blending, and I actually take Max Volume down pretty low. I mean, it's already a super dramatic eye look anyways, so why not? You know? Now you guys are gonna see also that I make a little cat eye situation on the inner corner. I thought it would just bring a little bit of extra drama to the whole look in general, which it does. Just wait for it. And this is the look, honey. Damn. So I went off camera, curled my lashes, and finished the rest of my face. Everything else will be listed in the description box below. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them. Let me know if you guys have any requests for this palette, because honestly, this is so beautiful. These are all glitters. That's a glitter. That's like, there's so many beautiful shades in this palette. You can do like neutral, just like full color, full glam, and trust me, as you guys can see, the pigment is there. It's like, no, like you might have to blend it out a little bit and then repack. But that's like all shades, okay? That even happened with my Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. So, I mean, blendation is necessary, but this is nobody's bitch. Okay, this is an amazing product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys to pieces. I appreciate everybody who watches all of my videos. My channel has seen some real growth, and I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. So, and I will definitely see you guys next Thursday. Bye.